Is Newton the best crypto platform in Canada? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Newton, a popular cryptocurrency exchange in Canada. I've been using Newton for a while now, and I've had some good experiences with it. But is it the best crypto platform in Canada? That's what we're going to find out in this video. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. What are the most important things to you when choosing a crypto platform? Is it security, fees, ease of use, or something else? The cryptocurrency market is constantly changing, and it can be difficult to keep track of all the different platforms available. That's why it's important to do your research before choosing a platform to use. In this video, I'm going to be covering the following topics: Newton's security features, Newton's fees, Newton's ease of use, Newton's customer support, Newton's pros and cons, body, Newton's security features. One of the most important things to consider when choosing a crypto platform is security. Newton has a number of security features in place to protect your assets. These include two-factor authentication 2FA, cold storage, insurance, SOC2 Type 2 certification. Newton also has a good track record when it comes to security. There have been no major security breaches reported at Newton. Newton's fees. Fees are another important factor to consider when choosing a crypto platform. Newton's fees are generally competitive with other crypto platforms. The platform charges a flat fee of 1.5% on all trades. Newton's ease of use. Newton is a very user-friendly platform. The website is clean and easy to navigate. The app is also well-designed and easy to use. Newton's customer support. Newton has a good customer support team. They are available 24/7 and are always happy to help. Secure. Competitive fees. Easy to use. Good customer support. Offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Cons. Limited number of fiat currencies supported. No staking or lending features. So, is Newton the best crypto platform in Canada? It's hard to say for sure. There are a number of other great platforms out there, and the best one for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. However, Newton is definitely a good option to consider. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Newton, please leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crypto news and updates. If you're interested in learning more about Newton, you can check out their website here, https://www.newton.co. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.